Hello guys, welcome back to Dizasolutions. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually sell shitcoins, tokens, and the rest. All right, so it's another thing for you to buy, it's another thing for you to sell. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video today. So the particular token I want to sell is DAP Dodge. So I'll click on the apps, and clicking on that the apps, it will take me to this search box at the top where I would need to type poocoin.app. Then I'll hit on the send. Then there's something I want you to take note of, which is at the top. It is Ethereum. I would love to change it to Binance Smart Chain because the token I want to sell is in Binance Smart Chain contract, not Ethereum. All right, so after that, you can say log out. It means I'm logged in already. So if you're not logged, if you have not seen logged out, it means you are not connected yet. So you will see connect, and you will be asked to connect it to your Trust wallet or any wallet that you're using. All right, so please take note of that. So next thing is to click on trade, and you tap on it and wait for it to load. So as you can see, you can see BNB at the top. You can see select currency at the bottom part. So in this case, I'll be showing you this arrow. All right, so I'm showing you this arrow because I'll be tapping on this arrow. So when I tap on this arrow, it will mean that the select a currency will be at the top and the BNB will be at the down part, which simply means that I want to convert that particular token, all right, which is not BNB. I want to convert it, or I want to swap it for BNB. So now you can see now that I've tapped on the arrow and select currency is at the top and BNB is at the down part, which simply means I want to convert select currency to BNB. Okay, if that is clear, the next thing is to tap on that select currency, and I will search for my DAP Dodge, which is this because it's already there. So I will be changing this slippage to 5%. Let me see if it will go. All right, so sometimes it will tell you slippage too low, so you just need to be increasing it bit by bit. All right, so after that you click on approve. All right, you can see approve the Dodge, so I'll be tapping on that. So you can see max total. Max total simply means the gas fee that I'll be spending. All right, so you need to have a little bit of BNB for you to sell. If you don't have BNB, you'll not be able to sell any token or shitcoin. All right, so make sure you have token BNB on your Trust wallet to be able to do this. So click on approve. So I've clicked on approve, and I'll wait. Let's see if it will go. If it doesn't, I will need to change my slippage. So okay, that has gone, so it needs me to approve again. Sometimes you need to approve like twice, so this is the second time I'm actually approving. So you can see that as me, I don't have any BNB there. I won't be able to swap this DAP Dodge for BNB. Okay, so that's just how it is. So now you can see the D Dodge is no longer 98, it is now 0. So that means it has been sold. All right, so then I will need to go to my Trust wallet so you can actually see, or there is not even need for that. This simply means because the BNB here has actually increased. All right, and that means it has been sold when you see the balance like that. So at this point in time, if you are new on my channel, if you've got value, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So to my new subscribers, I really appreciate you. I'm seeing your subscription. Thank you so much. And let me show you the channel so that you'll be able to see other videos. I have other videos that you can actually watch and learn one or two things from it. Then don't forget to share this channel with your friends that you need on of how to go about maybe their Binance. I share tech tutorials, how to make money, and I do cryptocurrency on this channel. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. All right, so as you can see, I have so many videos here. how you can create multiple wallets, avoid CBN agents, how to withdraw from Binance, how to sell, how to do P2P. And if you also need someone to guide you on one-on-one, there's April class that is ongoing and at a very discounted price. If you're interested, so hit me up. Bye.